Welcome to BabyNBeauty. In today's video, we're diving into the world of baby sleep patterns. Understanding your baby's sleep can be a challenge, but it's essential for their growth and your peace of mind. Newborn sleep patterns. Newborns typically sleep a lot, up to 16 to 17 hours a day, but their sleep is spread out in short bursts of 2 to 4 hours. This is because their tiny tummies need frequent feeding. In these early weeks, it's crucial to create a calm and comfortable sleep environment. Swaddling can help newborn feel secure and prevent them from startling awake. 1 to 3 months. As babies grow, their sleep patterns start to change. At 1 to 3 months, they may start sleeping longer stretches at night, up to 4 to 6 hours, while still taking multiple naps during the day. Establishing a bedtime routine at this stage can help signal to your baby that it's time to sleep. This might include a warm bath, gentle rocking, or a lullaby. 4 to 6 months. Between 4 to 6 months, many babies begin to sleep for longer periods at night and may even sleep through the night. They typically need around 14 to 15 hours of sleep in a 24-hour period. This is a good time to encourage self-soothing techniques. Allowing your baby to fall asleep on their own can help them develop healthy sleep habits. 7 to 9 months. At 7 to 9 months, your baby's sleep becomes more predictable. They usually sleep around 11 to 12 hours at night with 2 or 3 naps during the day. Watch for signs of tiredness and put your baby down to sleep before they become overtired. Consistency in nap times and bedtime routines is key. 10 to 12 months. By 10 to 12 months, most babies need about 10 to 12 hours of sleep at night and typically take 2 naps during the day. As your baby becomes more active, they might resist sleep. Stick to your routine and create a calm, dark, and quiet sleep environment to encourage restful sleep. Common sleep challenges. Parents often face various sleep challenges, such as night waking, short naps, or difficulty falling asleep. It's important to address these challenges patiently. Creating a consistent sleep schedule, ensuring a comfortable sleep environment, and offering plenty of daytime activities can help. Conclusion: understanding your baby's sleep patterns can make a huge difference in both your lives. Remember, every baby is unique, and it may take time to establish a good sleep routine. Thank you for watching BabyNBeauty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on parenting and beauty.